Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your processors of Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all you have to do is go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see on the top here, device manager here. Open it by double click on it. Now maximize the window. Now in the left panel you can see the list of all the listed drivers for your Windows 11. So you have to search for processors. So let's see. Okay, here's the processor list. Double click on it. Now you can see the all the listed drivers. So first of all you have to click on first one and right click on it. Now you can see the update driver option. Click on it. Now you will see a new window in which two listed options are there. So I will tell you what is it. First is search automatic for drivers. It will start searching your computer for the best available driver and install in your computer. And second one is browse my computer for drivers. As you can see here, this option is available if you already downloaded the file. So we will click on the first one, search automatic drivers. As you can see, my 11 gel processor is already up to date. So we will close this window. Again close this window. And now go to search bar and type settings. Open settings. Then in the left panel go to the last option, Windows update option. Click on here. Now click on check for updates. As you can see, it starts updating, searching for the latest update. Now it will take some time for updating and tell you if there is an update or not for the Windows 11. Till then you can subscribe my channel and like the video for more tech tips videos. I will taking some time, and that's it. Now you can see my Windows updated 11 PC is up to date. You can check in your PC or laptop, and thanks for watching.